Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering compact evidence. List 10 tasks you enjoy and immediately rank them by how easy they felt and the impact they produced. Once done, capture 3 recent successes with outcomes, time spent, and any feedback you received. Then reach out to 3 people, coworkers, friends, mentors, and ask for short, specific examples of what you did well. These first action steps give you real data to separate likes from demonstrable skill, so make sure to record everything in a single, searchable note. Now you move into deliberate testing. Choose your top 3 candidates and design 2 small experiments for each. Use 1 to 2 week trials that force decisions and real output. Measure results with simple metrics like speed, quality, and direct feedback, and log what changed. Once you have data, make focused adjustments. Swap methods, add a short course, or reassign time. Repeat 1 iteration to see improvement. This process helps you separate latent talent from practice effects and reveals what scales with effort. Finally, consolidate by choosing 1 primary strength to pursue for 90 days and build a plan with concrete milestones and public accountability so you can sustain momentum. Break weeks into focused practice, apply the skill to real problems, and ask for targeted feedback at each milestone. If things go wrong, stop and review your track data, request specific examples of failure from others, and simplify tasks to isolate the bottleneck. This troubleshooting keeps you honest and speeds progress toward a reliable, demonstrable ability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.